Hello all. Let's take a look at how the Simple Pedestrian System works. And there will be two folders when you will import this package. First is the editor, and then this is the Simple Pedestrian System folder. We have some animator, simple animator in his pedestrian name. Then a material, simple material that I've assigned to the ground. Ethan corrector, standard assets corrector, nothing special here. Then we have some prefabs, that the things that are using in this package. We have scenes, and then we have scripts. Let's take a look at this time auto walk demo. So what this demo does is time basedly instantiate the pedestrians randomly on these waypoints. So let's play it, and you will see that after 1 second the pedestrian will instantiate on these waypoints. So we have maximum 50 pedestrians that can spawn, so it will when it will reach 50 they will stop spawning. Then we have this demo. It is based on spawner. When the spawner collider will enter these waypoints, the pedestrians will start instantiating, and when this will exit from these waypoint from the pedestrians will destroy. Let's take a look. Threshold is also 50, so maximum of 50 pedestrians will come to life. See, if I take the collider out from one pedestrian, it randomly comes to the checkpoints that are already we are in. Okay. So let's take a look at the spawners. At the scripts. First, we have a pedestrian script. It is applied on this pedestrian. We have two pedestrians, by the way. We have a running pedestrian, then we have a walking pedestrian. There's simply animation difference among them, and they run with higher speed and what running does. So on walking, on walk pedestrian we have this pedestrian script. Simple as that. We can assign run walk, then it has a target from at which it goes, and we walk speed and run speed, and then we have rotation speed. Nothing to see here. We have a spawner. That is, if you use the spawner method, it says if you instantiate peddy on the enter when the collider enters the waypoint, it instantiate the pedestrian there, and when it exits from the pedestrian, should it destroys the pedestrian, and then the reference of the pedestrian system. Then we have pedestrian spawner. Then we have waypoints. These are simple waypoints. They hold the reference to their next waypoint, so it can direct the pedestrian to the next waypoint. And then we have simple pedestrian system. It comes with two ways, as I have already shown before. One is with spawner, one is auto. And auto time, how much time you want the spawner to take before instantiating the next pedestrian. And this is the waypoint prefab. And we have pedestrians. If you set them to 5 or 3 or any number, the pedestrians will randomly generate from that range. And then the maximum pedestrians you want to spawn, let's say if it is 5, you will see that only 5 pedestrians will be spawned by the spawner. See, I entered the 6th waypoint too, but only 5 pedestrians have been spawned. So then we have, this is currently spawned pedestrians, and this is the waypoints that we have. If you want to create your own path, it will be very simple. I have given 3 buttons here, so you can just remove the waypoints that are here. For example, if you have 3 waypoints and you want it to be a different kind of path, you can make it like this: add point, You can add 10 points at a point, at a point like, sorry, but I recommend that you add it one by one so that you can in the last waypoint, the next waypoint instantiate from the last waypoint position, like this. So the last waypoint will always direct toward the first waypoint. All the waypoints have been assigned, they all have all the values, you do not have to worry about anything. As I said, it is a very simple pedestrian system. So now when I will add, you will see that we have 5 pedestrians. Let's increase the value 15. Easy as that. And you will come out, they will destroy. So for example, you have a city and you want to populate the area around you. It is very simple. You can just simply do it like this. So thank you for watching, and do buy it. It's very simple. It does all the work that it's supposed to do, and you can easily edit the code. It's very easy to edit the code. I have written it in a very simple language, and if you like it, which I'm sure you will, please buy our other packages too, and do share it and rate it. Thank you so much.